In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add a music bot to Discord. Before adding a music bot to Discord, ensure you have the appropriate level of access to the server. You need to be an admin or a server manager. Explore and select a music bot that suits your preferences. Popular options include Fretbot, Groovy, Rythm, Hydra, and Iode. For this guide, we'll use Rythm as an example. Visit the official website of the chosen bot and look for the option like Invite or Add to Discord. Click on the respective option. For instance, on Rhyme's website, click on Add to Discord. After clicking the Invite bot, a pop-up will appear, promoting you to select a specific server from a drop-down box. Choose your preferred server and ensure that the administrator tick box is selected, and then click on Authorize. Upon successful authorization, you'll receive a message in your server indicating that the bot has joined. Each bot has its own set of commands. You can find the list of commands for the Rythm bot on their site. Once the bot is added, enter a voice channel within Discord and type the command required to start. For Rythm bot, the command to join is join. You can quickly produce a link to the commands available for Rythm bot by typing help in the chat. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.